Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset the settings app in Windows 11. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So first you need to click on this search bar. Now type settings. Now right click on it. Now click on app settings. Now scroll down and click on reset. Again click on reset. Now close it. Restart your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not. After restart your phone will be fixed. So thanks for watching.